Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are considering the Dave Cash advanced application, stick around for this quick review. I will explain how it works, its fees and whether it is worth your time. But before we dive in, if you are looking for a better way to make money consistently from your home, you can check out the link in the description for my favorite strategy, which is a game changer. Now let's talk about the Dave app. So it's a cash advanced app that offers small advances between $25 to $500 depending on your banking activity. There are no credit checks, and setting it up is also straightforward. You just have to click on this start now button and you need to link your bank account. It sounds very convenient, right? But here is a catch. Most users only qualify for $20 to $100 and not the advertised $500. Plus, you will pay a monthly membership fee of $1 in order to access the app. So, if you are okay with the waiting of 1 to 3 business days, transfers are free. But if you need your money instantly, there is an express fee ranging from $1.99 to $13.99 depending on the amount. So these fees can add up fast, especially if you are using the app often. And while tipping is optional, the app makes it almost mandatory by framing it as a way to help others. So just know tips don't go as far as you might think. Now, Dave has over 10 million downloads and solid reviews. But here is the reality, it's a quick fix and not a solution. So, it won't teach you how to make real sustainable income, and it could lead a bad financial habit. So, if you rely on it too much, if you are only looking for emergency cash, it might work. But for anyone who wants to build a stable long term income, this application falls short. Now, instead of paying fees for the small advances, why not invest in better options? So, in the description, I have shared my favorite method to make the consistent income online. It's simple, effective, and has personally helped me to achieve my goals. So you can check it out after this video. You won't regret it, trust me. So to wrap it up, the Dave application is decent for emergencies, but it is not ideal for building financial stability in my own opinion. If you are serious about improving your finances, skip the quick fixes and focus on the real opportunities. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the link in the description for better way to start making money today. See you in the next one. Bye.